students. Today we'll start the exercise of our poem The Clothes Line. So we'll start from page 130, part A. Below is the part of a rhyming poem. It is an extract from the Pied Piper of Hamelin by Robert Browning. The rhyme scheme of the poem below is A B A B A A A C C A. Copy out the lines into your notebook and use the words in the box to complete the lines. Use a dictionary for any words you do not understand. So, here we have these words in the box and we'll use all of these words to complete the phrases of the poem given below. Rats. They fought the dogs and killed the cats and bit the babies in the cradles and ate the cheeses out of the vats and licked the soup from the cooks on ladles. So you can see that the rhyme scheme here is A, B, A, B. Split open the kegs of salted sprats, made nests inside men's Sunday hats, and even spoiled the women's chats by drowning their speaking with shrieking and squeaking in 50 different sharps and flats. Moving on to the part B, page 131. Question number 1 is use the following in sentences of your own. Here we have these words or phrases in our box and we'll use all of these in the sentences. Popular. Ali is a popular boy. Ali एक मशहूर लड़का है. Good spirit. May you keep in good spirit. Prospect. I see no prospect of things improving here. मैं यहाँ चीज़ों के improve होने की बेहतर होने की कोई उम्मीद नहीं देखता. Summing up, the boss ended the meeting, summing up the conclusion. बॉस ने conclusion को sum up करते हुए मीटिंग ख़त्म कर दी. Saying, doing is better than saying. कहने से या बोलने से करना या काम करना बेहतर होता है. Question 2. What are the mistakes in the following? Explain the intended meaning and rewrite the sentences in correct English. Here we have these phrases which are not correct. We'll improve the mistakes first and then we'll use all of these in sentences. Is departing for foreign. किसी दूसरे मुल्क जाने के लिए रवाना होना. Is going abroad. This is the word in correct English. This is the phrase in the correct English. And the sentence is Ali is going abroad. In 2-3 days, 2-3 दिनों में. In correct English we can write in 2 or 3 days. And the sentence will be I'll complete the work in 2 or 3 days. मैं 2 या 3 दिनों में काम मुकम्मल कर लूँगी. You are all knowing. आप सब जानते हैं. In the correct English we can write you all know. And the sentence will be you all know that Aisha is a good girl. आप सब जानते हैं कि आयशा एक अच्छी लड़की है. His wife was cooking nicely. उसकी बीवी अच्छे से पका रही थी. We can say that his wife cooked well. कि उसकी बीवी ने अच्छा पकाया. Ali's wife cooked well. With men also and ladies also. Here to omit the repetition we can write with gentlemen and ladies too. So the sentence will be the hall is crowded with ladies and gentlemen or with gentlemen or and ladies. To improve her prospect, उसकी हालत को बेहतर करने के लिए. To improve her prospects. This is the phrase in correct English. She worked hard to improve her prospects. Will do summing up. Will sum up. Mr. Ahmed will now sum up the meeting. Mr. Ahmed अब मीटिंग को ख़त्म करेंगे, sum up करेंगे. So this is how you can avoid mistakes. So that was all for today. Thank you so much.